Okay, we back. Well, let me adjust a bit the things. Volume should be okay, I guess. Let's go live. Good evening, guys. Again, let me lower a second the music and we should be good. Yeah, yesterday was a fucking bad day. Oh, Jesus. But we're back. Back in business. This weekend, next one will be a lot of coding stuff, guys. I hope I'm not gonna bore you so much, but I have to finish a lot of stuff. Finish, call as you want. So there is a lot of code that will go on. Yeah, I lost also the... Basically, I lost a piece of map, a small piece. All the code that I did yesterday, which I have redone and implemented. And the character, which unluckily I had to re-import and refinish the mesh. But now also the equipment working also visually, so we change the skin at mesh. So, I mean, I did a couple of 2-3 hours super recoding speed stuff and everything is like yesterday. But the whole project will completely fuck it up. Completely destroy it. No way to be able to fix it. Because, you know, out the way then a JRPG structure is that the items are abstract. I mean, the items are not objects in the world, they are a structure. And from that structure, you can instantiate objects in the world. But that structure, unluckily, or, you know, this is the way that the things are going, that structure is part of everything. Let me explain you better. I guess the music is a bit too loud. For example, the item structure is part of the quest system, because inside a quest you can get an item as reward, and is part of the equipment system, is part of the weapon system, is part of the leveling system, it's part of the character, it's part of the NPCs. So the item structure, it's basically part of almost every UI related to quest, related to equipment, related to inventory, related to everything. And that means if the structure corrupts everything. So basically the result of, you know, the bad compiling yesterday was then, let's say 90% of blueprints were completely corrupted and destroyed and couldn't even think to fix, because basically it's like all the source code that you have Imagine a huge big source code collapse in every and corrupts in every single part. So that was a fucking huge crash, literally. But luckily there's Git. So I pulled back the last commit and I lost just a bit of work. Good evening, Shadow. Not a lot. I mean, I lost the coding work of yesterday, which I've redone already. I lost the part of the map, the new part of the map that I was doing with the lights and stuff. So this part, and the rain port, and some fixing of the animations of the main character. So it still sucks, but it's really not a super huge major damage. Hey Shadow, welcome. Good evening. So yep, it was a bad evening. But today also implement the equipment system and the way that when you equip a piece of armor, it really equips on the character and stuff. So this is pretty cool. It was a piece of the things that I was missing, and so I did today. And but yesterday evening was like a huge crash, super huge crash, honestly. And I really can't still figure out what it caused it, because I kinda changed and added fields to the structure ton of times, because this is the biggest structure, then contains nested structure inside it. So I don't know if the engine bugged, if maybe the engine was not closed correctly and everything, but at the end, everything was bugged, completely bugged. So there was no other way to fetch him back again. But that's it. I also, can improve the code, so no one can stop me. You can't stop Reborn to being done at all. You can't. I mean, I'm gonna fucking finish this game no matter what. And there it is. So what are you doing today? Shadow sent me. Okay, I've seen Fiasco making a beautiful Sonic. I know that Shadow implemented the doors. So guys, at the end, it was a big, huge trying to take over from, the god of unlock, but we kicked his ass. And now we also have a part of the code which let us literally, what is the slot? Equip all the stuff. Now making me mad on the stupid 3D editor. Which one? Now I'm gonna refactor tonight this part of the code, but the best thing is now then all the logic is there for not only equipment in terms of equipment, but also visually. So we can equip any kind of armor, like piece, like boots, like gloves, like pants, like underwear, like chest, head, and everything. So basically now we can equip everything. So now we're gonna take in our piece of armor, we're gonna pick up it, check in the inventory, and when we're going to equip this piece of armor, it shows on our character. So now we have also the equipment system which is working visually. This is fucking cool, so we can dress our character. Before it was working in abstract way, like this, but now it's also physically working, so we can equip completely our character like World of Warcraft / stuff similar to that. So pretty cool, and we're gonna keep in refactoring the code. So these days, guys, I'm sorry, will be a lot of code, but in 1 month I want to be able to completely having all the system in place and polished. So will be a lot of work, and that's what we're going to do. I also kind of polished up a bit of stuff because this was literally a lot of speed coding implementing the things. So now I'm gonna, make a bit of order in the things and stuff, and also implementing other mechanics. Now every action that is possible on an item is implemented in terms of an enum. So every item has its own kind of action, and the software is gonna react to that very action, which is defined in a C++ enum. And so yeah, lot of stuff. So it was a bad moment, but I don't give a shit. Code is mine, and they can't break it. Which stupid tree editor you have to deal with, Shadow? Why are the feeling that the music is not good? I mean, we need other things. Okay, I want to change the music. I want some. I need something. Maybe a little bit. Try this playlist. Blender is stupid. Don't say it because Fiasco is there. It's gonna be pissed off. So now we have this bunch of things. Possible, kinda. We're gonna listen to a bit of Russian music. How hard can it be to cut out a door inside map model? A lot. In Blender, it's a lot hard. Super hard. If you don't call yourself Fiasco, it's gonna be fucking hard. Use Maya. Use Maya. It's the best advice. Okay, for now, the verbs on the items are examine, pick up, use, keep, unequip, drop, and exit. And every item will have also a kind of more verbs on less, depending on the kind of item itself. Like for example, now we right click on the recipes to craft them, and the learning it's based on the fact that if you craft successfully the recipe, you can learn it. So we need also a craft. For example, need another verb. Hey, well, let me close a second the editor so we don't have any kind of problems. So we're gonna also have the craft verb. Well, what's going on? So we're gonna have also the craft item. What else do we need? Well, let's stop with crafting now. This becomes a TRA on actions. So I'm thinking to a couple of things. I think it's best if an item is in the world, the only thing we can do is examine or pick up, not use other verbs. So examine and pick up and exit will be the one that will be always kind of present, always available in any kind of item. So we're gonna go in the parent item and define examine, pick up and drop as based verb, as our base verbs for everything. Did you finish, Sonic? It's really warm tonight, guys. I'm kinda sweating a lot. Finishing trash? Why? You fucking kidding me? You deleted it? Are you yeah, ok. You need a psy. Hai bisogno di uno psichiatra, ma di quelli bravi però. Jesus Christ. You really deleted? No, I can't believe it. You're crazy. You are crazy. Why? What's the point of making beautiful models and deleting it? What the fucking reason? I mean, I don't really get the point. I don't see the point in this at all. You deleted also Solid, kinda Altair and Lara. These ones you deleted always. Man, you need the help, but you need a good one. Jesus Christ, why you fucking... I don't get it. I really don't get it. I really don't understand why. Okay, this guy says exit, exit, pick up and exit. I did already. Cool. So we don't have to touch this guy anymore. Why are you making beautiful models and deleting it? It doesn't make sense. I really don't get the point. Okay, now the part of the code and we're gonna change is right here. First of all, when we right click on the item, we are kind of seeing the verbs that are possible on the item. And that's what we're gonna change it, because I moved all the verbs inside separate enum, and this is what we're going to fix now. Then we should have probably somewhere like where the fuck is that? I need also to kind of fix this, guys, but for the moment, this context menu handle. Wait. If it's valid, set distance 2, set visibility, widget options. Okay, what we need is to check how... Wait, this is a timer handle, okay. This is a timer handle, this is the widget options, then it's coming from the NPC. No. Yeah? No, wait. widget option, it's on the parent item. Na, na, na. So it's on the parent item, and the widget option is this guy right here, and it is R&B options. So we need to change the way that we construct this guy. So let's see, there is nothing in this guy. Okay, this is gonna calling another one, vertical box actions. And so when we right click on the guy, we're gonna set the visibility of this guy, and widget options. With this, the verbs are here, so do we have a function? I don't recall when I did it, so surely there's somewhere else part of code. Then or should be, see, Twitch tooltip, shop UI, shop items, scope scores. Let me search for this guy. Let me find a reference of this guy. There's only this one. So widget options. So probably, let me check, where do we create? Okay, it's right here. Cool. This is what we need to deal with. So we need to change the complete creations of all the options. And the problem here is that we need to create a T-map, basically a map, because the tags of the enums will not be valid in a standalone. So we need to we need a for each loop here, most than everything. And for the moment we can just test with these, and I'm gonna get this widget. Well, technically we just we don't even have to kind of change this widget, but let me take this to string, enum to string, and for the moment we're gonna just make this kind of experiment. Beautiful, this song. Okay, now we should be able to see examine, pick up, and exit. After, we're gonna implement a T-map for all the in-depth values, and the switch will be on the enum, but we need to fill that kind of fields with real text. So we need to create a T-map for that. I'm 3D printing, guys, too. Wait, why no one is around tonight? What's going on? Na, 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 na. No one is around tonight. Where is all the people tonight? Okay, let me go and check now. Okay, now we should be able to see, I guess, 3 verbs. In fact, examine, pick up, and exit. Perfect. From and then we will not see in the compiled version because that are in arms, and so. But it still works. Wait. Some good movie on TV? I don't know. No idea. Item actions. Let me check this widget. This guy should take care of everything. Okay, examine, exit, pick up, use it's not here anymore. So we need to change this guy. I don't know, many days I don't watch a movie. But there's literally no movie, no good things around. It's mostly there is bullshit around. So this guy should have exposed not a text. So this guy should have exposed a new var, which is gonna be E type action. E type action, yes. Yeah, let's call this guy E type action. If I can spell it. E type action. The name item actions. Let's call this E item actions. Come va? You doing, Misa? Давай не думать ни о чем, кроме нашей планеты. Утонем в унисон вместе с нашим секретом. И что бы там ни было, под одним небом мы стираем запреты. Why we have 2 different guys? Давай не думать ни о чем, кроме нашей планеты. Утонем в унисон вместе с нашим секретом. И что бы там ни было, под одним небом мы стираем запреты. Я и ты. Oh, I have another one. Did I do before? Okay, let me save everything. I'm gonna get rid of that guy. This guy is item actions. No. Okay, let me get rid of this guy. How you doing, Misa? How's doing your game, Misa? It is official, Fiasco needs a doctor. He makes beautiful models and immediately deletes it. If someone can find a good doctor for Fiasco, let me know. It's all day and Twitch has problems. At least for me, I don't know why. There's a lot of lag and freezing. It's doing good for you, Twitch, guys. Let me know. There's also, I guess, a lot of delay. Okay, let me reopen the guys. Shop streamers. Oh, where is that one? Item actions. Okay, we said that we need a new var, which is item actions. If I can spell it. The type of is e-items, e-item actions. Now we have only one, which is separate. This is instance table and the supposed phone. Wait, the music is a bit too loud. Okay, now it's better. Probably we're gonna create ER, the T map. That inside here. So, let me just go. Where do we create this one? It's inside. We're gonna create in this one. Okay, let me open the main character. None. Is here inside the parent item? Okay, we need the parent item for this guy. Fuck, I'm sweating tonight. It's really hot here. Okay, item action is this guy. Let me refresh this widget. Now we should have what we need. And from this guy goes right here. And we don't need any more this text. So we're also going to get rid of this interact message in terms of exposing it. So let me compile, save. Now everything should be good. Owning player. I'm gonna get the player controller. We're gonna get the owning player from here. I forgot to add before. Okay, we're gonna get the player controller. Way better. We're gonna get the player controller, and it should be good. Okay, now we need a T map inside. Let's switch on this guy. And basically, we need also to display the text of the action. And how we're gonna do that is in this way. We're gonna create a T map because we need to know because these verbs literally are only for the editor, and this means then when we make the build, these tags that are for internal use only are not seen in the build of the game, are seen only in the standalone, but literally they are just integer numbers that goes from 0 up. So what we need to do is to map these guys. So we need let's go tmap item actions. This is one of my favorite songs. I'm gonna pump it up.
Ты захочешь, но ты не узнаешь, как разгадать меня. Ведь я как река, слава Виктория, целое море, слава Виктория. Слава Виктория. Каждый день меня бьются где-то вопросы, ответы мы подаем любовь. Ты тоже чувствуешь это столько секретов, ведь я стихи. Между нами звонки моей маме, а я понимаю, это навсегда. Ты захочешь, но ты не узнаешь, как разгадать меня. Ведь я как река, целое море, я океан. Слава Виктория, целое море, слава Виктория. Слава Виктория. Слава Виктория. Ведь я как река, целое море, океан. Слава Виктория, целое море, слава Виктория.
Let me think a bit.
Ведь я как река, целое море,
Victoria. Slava Victoria.
Слава Вікторія!
Okay, this is gonna be gonna go TST map, e-item actions. To add, let's make it 0.
Увидишь мои глаза,
Text.
хочешь все мои тайны, все мои знаки, но я
Сами.
стихи, между нами звонки, мои маме я все меняю страны, города. Ты захочешь, но ты не узнаешь, как разгадать меня. Ведь я как река, целое море, я океан.
Oh, sorry.
Слава Вікторія, целое море, слава Вікторія. Слава Вікторія.
Let me take a reference to that guy.
Где-то вопросы и ответы мы подаем любовь. Ты тоже чувствуешь это столько секретов, ведь я стихи, между нами звонки, моей маме, а я понимаю, это навсегда. Ты захочешь, но ты не узнаешь, как разгадать меня. Ведь я как река, целое море, я океан.
We just test the
Слава
thing.
Вікторія, целое море, слава Вікторія. Слава Вікторія. Слава Вікторія. Ведь я как река, целое море, океан. Слава Вікторія, целое море, слава Вікторія. Ведь я как река, целое море, я океан. Слава Вікторія, целое море, слава Вікторія. Слава Вікторія. Слава Вікторія.
What the fuck are you yelling?
Молі, 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 молі.
Okay.
Молі, 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 молі. Я не знаю, что будет завтра, какую загадку увидишь в моих глазах. Ты хочешь все мои тайны, все мои знаки, но я стихи. Между нами звонки моей маме, а я все меняю страны, города. Ты захочешь, но ты не узнаешь, как разгадать меня. Ведь я как река, целое море, я океан. Слава Виктория, целое море,
My Twitch is gonna mine too. It is
Слава Виктория.
I'm having the same problem today.
Слава Виктория. Каждый день меняются где-то вопросы, и ответы мы подаем.
I am in literally the same property problem today. I don't know why. Kinda, it's literally getting crazy. Twitch. It doesn't show it's online. It doesn't show literally nothing. Where is that? That good.
Ведь я как река, целое море, я океан. Слава Виктория, целое море, слава Виктория.
Why you don't show me?
Слава Виктория, ведь я как река, целое море, океан. Слава Виктория,
Wait.
целое море, слава Виктория.
What does it make me making a? Well, let me make it like that. New property, blueprint. Come on, what's going on with the autocompile today? Get it anywhere. Blueprint red, right, and okay, we should be good there. I didn't even see my page anymore. This is declared correctly. No, I think all Twitch is bugged today. I don't know why. It's all day, then it's giving me problems. I don't have it.
Все слова любви эхом вернулись, чтобы тебя понять, целой жизни мало. Я в одинаковых днях счастье потеряла. Юра, прощай, Юра, прости, я ухожу, а ты отпусти. Юра, верни мне мою любовь.
Let's see the declaration. Don't we have containers? No, I don't think so.
Юра, прощай, Юра, прости, я ухожу, а ты отпусти.
Wait, where's the chat? Just checking some API, guys. It's second.
Юра, прощай, Юра, прости, Юра, пойми, нам не по пути. Имя твое я опять шепчу. Юра, прощай, я так хочу. Юра, прощай, Юра, прости, я ухожу, а ты отпусти. Юра, верни мне мою любовь. Юра, пойми, я не с тобой. Юра, прощай, Юра, прости.
Hey, Tangent. Good evening. How you doing?
Имя твое я опять шепчу. Юра, прощай, я так хочу. Юра, прощай.
Eating dinner, thinking about your UI? What's wrong with your UI? What's wrong with your UI?
Вот и все, допиваешь до дна всю любовь, и под утро исчезнул твой сон. Ты сыграл красивую роль и не прочь до конца.
Wondering if I want to have drag and drop.
Даешь достать
Currently, it's very modded Skyrim.
его, как всегда,
Like Sky. What the fuck is?
невозможно унять.
Shit, something is falling. Like Sky UI, tablet filters and such. Yeah, well, you do you really need drag and drop? I mean, hey, master, good evening. Twitch front end, it's so lagging. Yeah, 90% of UI not working. Me too. It's all day. Then I'm experimenting all this stuff all day. Whoa, what did it do? That's wrong. What? I got this. Yeah, Twitch is unloading my friends list from. Okay, me too. It was like mine. Today, all day like that. I couldn't see even the streamers that I follow, stuff like that. Probably a Borka, but yeah, probably. I should add an enemy race called the Borka, the Ravel, the Bjork. Oh Jesus Christ.
Останемся вместе. Медленно, медленно, дрожь по твоим губам. Медленно, медленно, снова ловлю твой взгляд. Ты простишь, я прощу, и снова, как в первый раз, останемся вместе. Медленно, медленно, дрожь по твоим губам.
Na.
Медленно, снова ловлю твой взгляд. Ты простишь, я прощу, и снова, как в первый раз, останемся вместе. Медленно, медленно, дрожь по твоим губам. Медленно, медленно, снова ловлю твой взгляд. Ты простишь, я прощу, и снова, как в первый раз, останемся вместе.
I'll just check a thing because this is kinda.
My criminal experience is legendary. I do what's necessary. Niggas wanna see me buried, worried if you come and hurry. I ain't going down, fuck the world, I'm a thug. Tell them can't nothing stop me but a slug. I went from shot caller, from up the block, no longer rockin', putting money in my pocket, nationwide baller. Bitch nigga, I'm prepared to die before I fry. I hit the weed till I be forever high. My eyes.
Wait, I'm just waiting from
Let the Lord pick the first to bleed.
from the art.
Forever thuggin', tell them to bury me and cheat on everything I love. And fuck the law, cause the raw niggas ain't free. This bitch is clear, but we can't see. This game is jealousy, don't let them change it. That's what they keep on telling me, motherfucker fame. I can't sleep, cause I keep hearing beats loaded my spur. Wrapped in my sheets, don't make enemies with me. I try to tell these motherfuckers they ain't see. Don't make enemies with me. You rather fuck with these other little G's. Don't make enemies with me. I try to tell these motherfuckers they ain't see. Don't make enemies with me. You rather fuck with these other little G's. Don't make enemies. Is it money and women, the funny beginnings, tragic endings? I can make a million and still not get enough for spending. And since my life is based on sinning, I'm hellbound. Rather be buried than be worried, living hell down. My game plan to be trained in military mind.
I mean, moving items from one container to another is easier with drag and drop. Moving them from the inventory to dropping them in the world is easier with drag and drop. It depends a lot from your interface. How do you want to implement it? You want to use the mouse, you want to use other stuff.
To make my beat bump and roll like drop some shit. Daddy stupid, don't make enemies with me. I try to tell these motherfuckers they ain't see. Don't make enemies with me. You rather fuck with these other little G's. Don't make enemies with me. I try to tell these motherfuckers they ain't see. Don't make enemies with me. You rather fuck with these other little G's. Don't make enemies with me. Sure cute in the black suit, but even cuter behind a barrel of my 6 shooter. You look worried 'cause I ain't bugging. Don't sleep in a hurry 'cause I thought flurries making motherfuckers.
True, drag and drop isn't exactly intuitive with a controller. Are you using keyboard or are you using a controller for the game?
And how could you love niggas if you tryna drug niggas? My motherfuckers need your caps peeled. Cause when blacks kill blacks, we stay trapped. And that's
I don't see my... Is the stream frozen, guys? Because it's completely frozen. I don't know why. I don't see my... Is this... Wait the fuck. Why listen 2 times my voice? I mean...
they can shoot one man, but nothing's gonna stop. Don't make enemies with me. I try to tell these motherfuckers they ain't see. Don't make enemies with me. You rather fuck with these other little G's. Don't make enemies with me. I try to tell these motherfuckers they ain't see. Don't make enemies with me. Don't make enemies with me.
Brad.
Don't make enemies with me.
Brad, be quiet. I'm trying to refactor the code, so... Is this working?
What, nigga? Young motherfucking thugs, that's how we do it. Don't make enemies with me, nigga. No matter fuck with these other niggas. Y'all don't see it. Don't make enemies with me. Motherfuckers is fatal, nigga.
I mean, you could implement a sub-menu in which you drop the things.
Niggas gonna see their casket fucking with these bastards.
Or just using some directional key.
Swearing to God that they doing something.
I don't know, depends from your game a lot.
They being something. Y'all niggas ain't shit. That's what my mama hear me.
Which other
Young thugs.
verbs we should implement?
Y'all niggas best to check it, cause y'all gonna get your asshole torn. They tear patches out you niggas' asses. All y'all niggas, I don't give a fuck who you running with. This is thug life, nigga. The new generation, motherfucker. Don't make enemies with me. Don't make enemies with me. Don't make enemies with me.
Yeah, you're now tuned in. The motherfucking rise to power. It's that next level shit, homie. Turn it up, Esther. Yeah, the rise to power, Esther.
I think we should have enough. Yeah, Twitch UI is completely fucked up today.
I'm about to straight dollars in them bundles. Got the ball in my hand and I won't fumble, won't crumble. I'm like titanium steel, hard to penetrate and hard to the touch of my skill. I just been watching the game, tripping out how these lies fail, puffing my chain. In the driver's side of something sick, clutching on a 45, living like a convict, but still on some baller shit. These fools be rolling buckets, hating while I'm in leather seats, heated up on chroma navigation, navigating through the streets of Cali skating. Bagging out these games, stressing now is my occupation. I'm boxing in the last for the conservation. I keep the ball rolling like a drone dating.
Yeah, that's right, homie. It's the rise to power. High power. Mr. Criminal. Homie. Shit. It's next level shit, homie. I'm sick with it.
I'm sick with it. Other lanes, why dicks with it? Hearing my shit and immediately bid it. I don't trip cause you sound like shit. And these numbers prove that no one's convinced. So I keep bouncing to the top of the mountain. Lyrics flowing out of my brain like water. Stacking feds in large amounts, so now I'm losing my count. Behind a thick cloud of smoke, but still see in front of me because I'm clowning. Like my name was Payaso.
I think this should be now.
Taking a throttle, marijuana. Still I ride with them guanos. It's all about survival. Packing it out for my rivals and I don't play. So don't come and try me, yes it. Cause it's only one way. Like my dog little Quet there. From them hustles to the vet, that's criminal disrespect. Homie, show nothing but love. Cause I'm sorry.
Be okay.
That's right, homie. I roll through this motherfucking streets every day. And like my homeboy Villain said,
I'm part of the night. These levels don't like me. These haters despise me, but never would they try me. Unless they 50 deep. And in that case, I don't trip, cause I got 50 in the clip. So that's one for each. I'm just out here doing my thing, hustling. Making money now, no more struggling. But I'm a grown man. I know that any given second it could all be over. So I'm marching.
Summon pick up, use equip, unequip, drop, craft.
Fucking punk with a disgrace, talking shit like a bitch. I slap you in the face. It's no more games on my side. I'm sucker free. My motto in 2008 is don't fuck with me. I got riders from prison that just parole from the system. I gave Nas and gauges ready to spit them.
That's right, homie. It's like that. You just ain't rap to me, homie. Sit back with all that bullshit. All that dissing for fame. I ain't with that shit, homie. I rise to the next level. Take a shit on all you tricks. Cause it's the rise to power. Mr. Criminal. Come on, homie. That petty ass shit.
Okay, let me create.
Step your motherfucking game up. Yeah.
Okay, can you function here?
2008. The rise to power. Shit. Thought I was gonna stop me.
Let's
Riding till the motherfucking wheels fall off. That's real talk, homie. What's up to all the motherfucking soldiers? Shit ain't over. Yeah. Mr. Criminal. Haters come see me in these streets. I'm rolling every motherfucking day.
thinking if we need more of these guys or no.
Real talk, homie. Shit. The rise to power.
Probably don't think so.
Слушай, а чего у вас везде пазлы висят?
У папы хобби такое. Он после работы так стресс снимает.
Папа хоббит?
Нет.
Прости.
Ничего.
А где он работает?
В тюрьме.
Где?
Солнечные блики, расшитые туманом.
I think it's enough in terms of verbs. We don't need more. Because the only three that we're gonna using when the object is instantiated in the world are examine, pick up, and exit. And when the object is in the inventory, we could use equip, unequip, drop, craft, / exit, whatever we want. But when the object is instantiated in the world, the only thing that we can do, then I wanna do, is examine and pick up. I don't wanna use the object inside the world itself. I need to open another thing too. Yeah. You're roasting me? Thank you for the hosting. Oh, what's going on here? Why everything is stuck here? Non stare in auto così quando sei in coma ti sei da solo. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Let me check a bit of things. Because I need to, I want to literally include that a part of these utilities inside the Reborn that it could be helpful.
Остаться человеком здесь шансов так мало. Я заберу свое и отправлюсь назад. Туда, где для друг друга мы были не просто так. Верю в красочный мир, где мы непобедимы. Но с той стороны любовь далеко не стимул. Мы наизнанку вывернем наш каменный мир, в котором горим. Просто держи меня за руку. Я с тобой тут по тонкому льду. Просто держи меня за руку, пока я тут иду ко дну. Просто держи меня за руку. Я с тобой тут по тонкому льду. Просто держи меня за руку, пока я тут иду ко дну.
Making something off stream, guys. Just a second. I guess I should pick up some of these functions and refactor inside the other one too. I wanna pick up the fastest way for...
Фирма, волна, лира кипит в жилах, люблю сильно.
Just making a bit of... Just give me a second, guys.
Погоди, не ной только, дождем пока зыркам окатит холодом города, я по дворам. Бога молю за тебя, сотру до дыр обиду, буду ветром, я меломан, а ты мелодия заветная. Уже гулять по миру, по следам неведомым, и впредь нам ни беды, ни горя, ни вида.
Okay.
Чудо за руку, держи меня, было круто. Топали в ногу до дома, дождь барабанил по лужам. Свечи, вино, ужин, кола, кино, кружим по городу, повода без, улыбнись, ну же. Вчера перечитала цветы для Элджернона. Я в зеркало отыгрывал нелепого Капоне. Кофе глаза приоткроет, музыка, ночи, ноты. В треке любовь от меня тебе до Миннесоты. Закатами, алыми рассветами, души мы баловали песнями, что недопеты оттенками алыми. Ты мое небо, я по облакам, рукой до солнца долечу до тебя, даже если мир перевернется. Мимо плывут облака, ты мое небо, это любовь на века. Погоди, не ной только, дождем по козырькам окатит холодом города, я по дворам. Я люблю тебя, небо, окати меня водой, озари меня светом, сохрани мою
Need to cover this guy.
неси меня ветром, расскажи мне обо всем. Наша песня не допета, допоем ее вдвоем. Я люблю тебя, небо, окати меня водой, озари меня светом, сохрани мою любовь. Унеси меня ветром, расскажи мне обо всем. Наша песня не допета, допоем ее вдвоем. Небо, ты мое небо, ты мое небо,
I'm still printing. I'm 3D printing also the action figure. Let me check another thing.
Потеряли себя, нам не надо, мана. Команда магов, банк и зомби, там битом и криво, так пока бокам. За браваду тут топил убитый капитана.
This is strange. What is happening?
Потеряли себя, нам не надо, мана. Команда магов, банк и зомби, там битом и криво, так пока бокам. За браваду тут топил убитый капитана. Капала меня, да, битами насыпал, грустила вида, лайфа, чё не фонтан.
Okay, I'm gonna compile some code. Do you like this pose guy for? I'm basically kinda quite finished to 3D printing this guy. The switch still up because I don't see nothing.
Я закручивал день, музыка меня толпами бей, так толпа от этого мне не умереть, забывай мое имя, забывай меня.
Потеряли себя, нам не надо, мана. Команда магов, банк и зомби, там битом и криво, так пока бокам.
Okay, let me get rid of this stuff. I think it's gonna finish to print in 1 hour or a couple of hours, more or less. In this kind of in this file, there's a lot of networking stuff which I could use.
Мир куролесим, ты напой, как бы напел Бог. Это берега мастера Восток. Это твой расклад, либо ты, либо стоп. Покати меня водой, когда будет ожог. Добрый, но злой бережет. Мы говорили, пуля битый бой порешал. Я стен, недобитый портрет. Либо манекен, либо человек. Этому не верь, этому не верь, этому не верь, этому не верь, этому никогда не верь. Взамен я накидывал строк. Дело перемен, я перевидал снов. И топил эту любовь и лавировал вновь. Это пусто, звон, говорили на зло. Потеряли себя, нам не надо, мана. Команда магов, банк и зомби, там битом и криво, так пока бокам. За браваду тут топил убитый капитана. Капало меня, да, битами насыпал, грустила видля, лайфа, чё не фонтан. Потеряли себя, нам не надо, мана. Команда магов, банк и зомби, там битом и криво, так пока бокам. За браваду тут топил убитый капитана. Капало меня, да, битами насыпал, грустила видля, лайфа, чё не фонтан. Потеряли себя, нам не надо, мана. Команда магов, банк и зомби, там битом и криво, так пока бокам. За браваду тут топил убитый капитана. Капало меня, да, битами насыпал, грустила видля, лайфа, чё не фонтан. Потеряли себя, нам не надо, мана. Команда магов, банк и зомби, там битом и криво, так пока бокам. За браваду тут топил убитый капитана. Капало меня, да, битами насыпал, грустила видля, лайфа, чё не фонтан.
Twitch ha carato che il brutto non funziona più. Yeah, it is true.
Окутала меня, окутала, ты будто мой сорт марихуана. Небо в алмазах, лето летала, ты моя бэйби, дочь карнавала. Двигайся, крошка, принцесса бала. Ночь перемен, мысли растамана. Пока не устал, музыка играла. Кто-то курил, кого-то впирала. Эта дура дуримара, она была, думал, улетала. В теплые края, лето, море, песок, но мне тебя мало. Танцую в пол, руки потолок взяла. Туда, куда пал, больше не вернусь. Чудом умотал и забрал с ней груз. Это наша жизнь, и ей всегда мало. Танцую в пол, руки потолок взяла. Go everybody, shake the let's go, move everybody. Мое любимое шоу, голова качала, бачата давала, мана мала, планов, налы навара, бутаровала, подавай, когда будет это.
Okay, we can take this part of the code and put right there. Let me just check. Yeah, I mean, Twitch is completely down tonight. Super down. Now, to me, it's completely frozen. And it keeps loading. I don't know, it's for you guys. I don't see chat anymore. I don't see nothing anymore. I don't know if you can still hear me. Can you hear me, guys? I mean, I don't see chat anymore. I don't see the stream anymore. I don't know if I am online. Honestly, that kind of funky. I don't know. I've never seen. Thank you, Shadow. I never seen the stream like that. Doing these things. Now I see the stream. I don't see the chat. What the fuck is going on? Red, Drew. Okay, Shadow, good night. See you later. What time is it? It's already 11:30. Wow. I don't see the stream anymore, guys. I don't see the chat and I don't see the stream anymore. Wait, okay. Let me change also the music a second, guys. Good night, Shadow. See you tomorrow. I don't know what's going on. Even the music, it's not working. What's going on tonight? I think, guys, I'm gonna go offline because I don't see the stream and I don't see the chat anymore. I will try in a bit, guys, to get back if I can. If not, we're gonna see each other tomorrow. Because like this, it's literally working nothing. I don't have, it's frozen everything, guys. So see you. See you later or tomorrow, guys. I don't know what's going on with Twitch, so I'm going offline, and that's it. I hope to see you later, guys, and checking if Twitch is getting better or not.